In this video, we will show you how to fix we cannot upload a logo on sites on Adblocking Recovery Messages in Google Adsense. Some people asking to me via our YouTube channel and via our websites. And first, to solve this problem, you must disable the Adblocking extension. If you have the Adblocking extension, you can disable for a while in here and you can refresh. After that, the number second, you can prepare the image. The image dimension I have is same width and height. In here, you can see there. Okay, width and height is in the same pixels, and you can try to do same with this if you confuse. We have 64 pixel for width and height also, and in here to upload your logo, you just click settings in the Adblocking Recovery settings. For example, select message, and in here when you create a message, okay, for example, and add sites, you can upload a logo in here. You can see there, I delete this first, and when I upload this logo, it will successfully save. Okay, so in this case you must see if you have Adblock extension, just disable for a while, then refresh. After that, you can upload your logo with the same dimension like me. And hope this video can solve your problem for the people asking to me how to upload a logo on Adblocking Recovery Message from Google Adsense. Hope this video helpful for you.